Hey, take one. So we got our camper delivered the other day and have a few repairs to make around. Alright, take two. Going around making a few repairs to the camper today, one of which would be the countertops. When it was delivered are not secured down, so going to try some liquid nails along the seam in here to try and hold it down. Okay, so here is a better view of the countertop not being secured. Seems to be in the back there, but you can kind of see a screw was in there at one point, but she didn't hold, so I'm gonna put liquid nail all along there, much as I can, I guess, and stick her down. And hopefully that will hold. Let's find out. As you can see, I got it propped up using a pepper shaker. Sam's Choice. Best pepper proppers on the market. Let's take our liquid nails and put a bunch of it in there. Alright, one-handed. And we have nails in liquid form here. Alright. Now that I got that all done, we will remove our pepper. Alright, let's go find something heavy to put on top. Out into the wonderful Steffes shop. Thank you so much to Lori and Will for letting us use the shop to work on our new RV. Thank you very much. Let's find something heavy. This would do, but it's a little too heavy, I think. Don't want anything that would scratch the countertops either, you know. Wouldn't really be ideal. There we go. So let's get around here. Uh-oh. Dropped some liquid nail on the floor. Gonna have to wipe that up. Okay, now that I've got my brake rotors here, laid a towel down on the counter, we can just set these here. And that will just hold pressure on the liquid nail until it dries. Alright. Good to go. On to the next project. Alright, here we go into the bathroom for another piece of glass that did not come very secured. Peel this glue away and liquid nail it. Just gotta get in there and get that glue off. Hard stuff. Oh. All right. gotta smooth it out.
Been thinking we could talk it out. You make me forget what we threw in this song.
Project 3 done. There's Coop outside, washing the pickup.
Were we wrong, or did it drag on too long? So we pretend like nothing was said. We say our goodbyes and we try not to share it. Were we wrong?
Okay, so on to our next project. You can see the glass in this cabinet door barely hanging on. So I'm gonna just peel off all of this old glue and put some liquid nails on it. See how that works. Summer's not here.
This is how it ends. Then I'll get used to it.
We are going to be hanging up these hooks today, these 3M adhesive hooks. I have a little idea to use these reusable twist ties, kind of heavy duty rubber twist ties, just on these hooks here. They say they hold 4 pounds, so that should be enough to hold up an extension cord and a hose, but we will find out after our first couple of trips, I'm sure. Just wipe this down, make sure that it was nice and clean, no dust, no debris on it. Picked a nice little spot somewhere that's high enough so that these will be able to hang without hitting the ground or the floor here. So let's see what we can do here. Peel those. Make sure you guys can see it. New to YouTube, so not sure how well this is going. So need you guys to bear with me. Alright, stick my little thingy on here. Push it down nice and firm. And peel off this back side. Okay, at least pretty much almost all the way up top. Push it down nice and firm. Alright, now that's up there. Alright. Okay, so we got one hook hung up here now. You can use this. Take 2, we're going to hang up the hose here. Wrap it up with these little reusable twist ties. Give it one twist around. Put my finger in there. Twist the top around 1 or 2 times, whatever you can get, really, I suppose. Bend these out so they're not in the way. Should be able to just, alright, hang our hose right there. That looks nice, or at least nice enough. Okay, I'm going to install my there we go. Okay, take 2. Chop. Okay, so I'm going, take 3. Chop. Okay, so I'm going to install another hook for my light duty extension cords. These 2 here, my orange and my blue one. I use these 2 when, that shot was just horrible. I use these two extension cords for running power from the RV out to an accessory like a drill or an air compressor or something like that. I do not use them to run shore power to the RV. For that, I use this heavier duty extension cord, so with an adapter. Pad thing up over here, I figured the only thing it's going to be blocking is the outlet and light switch. It'll be alright. Put that one in the storage. Twist this on the other direction, be a little crafty with it. Alright, a little alien man or whatever you want to call it. Hang it up right there, boom. Isn't that convenient? Alright, we're gonna hang up one more. I don't know if we're gonna hold this extension cord, it's pretty heavy. I might do something else. I don't know yet. Got the bungee, little one. Might be able to sort of hook it back there somewhere. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that one out. Probably just try another hook, and then if it falls down, do something else. Alright, so I got the third hook hung up. I had to put another screw on this little panel because it was falling. So he's got two here. I just drilled in a third one right there. So we're good to go. Got some stuff hung up. This will go in the storage box or right over there or something. And that's it.
I'm still not sure right now. Say sorry, you gotta go. I say wait, don't mean you so. You say I gotta go. Maybe one day, you never know. Say sorry, you gotta go. I say wait, don't mean you so. You say I gotta go. Maybe one day, you never know. You say sorry, you gotta go. 'Cause I say wait, don't mean you so. You say I gotta go. Maybe one day, you never know.
We're gonna go take Will's pickup for a little spin because we're bored. And this is what we do. Mr. Coop?
I can start her up and not choose the manual.
Oh, it should jump forward?
A little bit. But it's okay, we didn't hit anything.